Hello, this is Mary Jones Huntsville. In this particular video, I will show you how I style my light that I showed you in my recent haul. And guys, this is what we got going on here on my console table. And this is how to make your console table look expensive, even though your items is budget friendly. So let's move right along here. Here is my space, and here's my light, guys. So let's start right here at my reindeer, and I add a reindeer in this spot. It's sparkling, lacy, and I like that a reindeer. And here's my light, guys, and just touch it and it comes on. And this is the beauty that I was telling you about in my recent haul, and I have that video link down in the description box. And if you touch this once again, it changes to another mode. And let's go in one more time, and there we are, guys. And right along here I have my London book along with my shimmery Christmas tree. And let's move over to this item here, to these items. This is where I have another reindeer, and I have my Christmas tree, no ornaments on it, it's just naked. And I used my sleigh here and added my ornaments along with my broken chain, guys. And this tree is nestled on my Elements of Style books. Okay, so that is what we have. And I'm loving this space. I'm loving the vibe. It goes well with the background drop here, and all of this is cohesive. And let's go down to the bottom right here. Here is another piece. This is a new piece that I picked up. I didn't show this to you in a haul, but guys, I love the shape, the new uniqueness of it. And this was only $6.99 at Ross, and I thought that was a steal, because if you tried to purchase this piece through an expensive store, you're going to have to pay more than $6.99 for that. So I just want to show you guys that how you can shop on a budget without breaking the bank. And let me give you another view of this. And I think this turned out pretty nice, guys. And I'm going to be using my light in different videos, so you will see this style in different ways here, and it'll give you some type of idea. You probably will see this style underneath my kitchen cabinets, probably in my bath, just different places, just to give you an idea on how you can switch things around, and it can still look beautiful. It can still look elegant without you going out buying new pieces every time you decide to decorate. This is what my channel is about, is showing you how you can decorate on a budget, okay? Okay, guys, I appreciate you for watching. And if you love content like this, I will be uploading more content, a few more videos before the Christmas season is over. So if you want to be notified, go ahead on and click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you will be reminded each time when I upload another video. And give me a comment, okay? Let me know how you are enjoying these videos. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.